To deploy apps on Jekyo, you must have Node.js, npm, and Git. You can find more details about the local setup in the description below. If it's your first time using Jekyo, you need to install it, create an account, and sign in. All of these can be done from the terminal. To install Jekyo, run npm install, pass the global flag Jekyo. To create an account, run Jekyo user sign up and follow the instructions. And to sign in, run Jekyo user sign in, and then input your username and password. This tutorial covers two scenarios: creating and deploying a sample Preact app, and configuring and deploying an existing Preact app. To create a Preact app, run Jekyo create. This will show you a list of many different frameworks. Selecting one will clone a pre-configured basic sample app that you can build upon. So go ahead and select Preact using the arrows on your keyboard. Name your application anything you want. Preact demo. Now you can see that in the folder you are working in, there's a new one with the name you've just given and the app inside of it. To deploy this app, you need to switch to its directory. So run cd Preact demo. And now simply run Jekyo deploy. Now the app is deployed and you can follow the link to see it live. If you want to redeploy this app after you've modified it, commit your changes and simply run Jekyo deploy again. To deploy an existing Preact app, first navigate to its directory, cd Preact tutorial. Now I'm in the app's root. This needs to be a Git repository. If you haven't done so already, make your first commit by running git init, git add dot, which is short for all, and git commit initial commit. Next, you must edit the file called package.json, which should be in the root of your app. First, edit this line to also include Jekyo's port and host by passing the necessary flags: port and the port variable, which Jekyo will automatically detect, host variable. Next, add a start line, so comma start, and in here write two commands: npm run build and npm run serve. Go ahead and save the file, add it to Git, make your changes. Now run Jekyo create. This time from the list, select none. This creates an app on Jekyo that's temporarily empty. We will then link our local app to this empty app on Jekyo. Give your app a name, Preact tutorial. It doesn't have to match to your folder's name, it can be anything else. Link your local app by running Jekyo link. From the list, select your recently named app, in my case Preact tutorial. And now run Jekyo deploy. The deployment process can take up to a few minutes depending on your app. Now the app is deployed and you can follow the link to see it live on Jekyo. If you get this error, it's because the SSL certificate hasn't been generated yet. So what you have to do in this case is simply refresh your browser after a few seconds, like this. Now everything is working. If you need to push some local changes to update your live app, add the modified files to Git, commit your changes, and simply run Jekyo deploy again. You will see your changes live in a few moments without any downtime. Feel free to post any questions you might have in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.